ProDrive developed Subaru Impreza was introduced to the WRC in 1993. It helped power the legendary Colin McRae to his first WRC driver's title in only the second year the car was rallied. Not only did the ProDrive choose to use the Impreza, they chose to use it for its well-balanced chassis. It also used an all-strut type configuration, giving it independent suspension and better control no matter the obstacles it would come to face. To give this car the full title, it is a Subaru Impreza V3 WRX STI Type R. Originally it had 280 brake, but thanks to factory forged internals, the now modified Type R is running 1.5 bar boost on a TD05 turbo. With a standalone ECU, it's now pushing 340 brake. The car not weighing much more than 1200 kilograms, you can understand this car's a rocket ship.